Hi everyone, Teresa Aker here from Success Diaries with Teresa Aker. Thanks for joining me today. I like to come to you with tips that I've learned along the way, things that perhaps will help you as we journey into this story of our successes. One of the big ones that people commented on was coming forward with being confident in yourself. Now, they weren't saying just being confident, but they said a lot of comments were, but Teresa, what if I fail? Or what if I've gone through hardships and I'm nervous about doing that again and restarting? One of the nicest things about life is today's another day. I know that's so simple, but I learned that as I went along the way in life. I've had different chapters in my life that I was in sales, I've been a manager, I've been a leader, I've done all kinds of things in life. And guess what? Today I'm doing a talk show and I love doing it. It's not about whether you fail or you succeed. It's the fact that you tried. One of the biggest messages that I can send to you is no regrets. You don't want to get to a time in life where you look back and you say, gosh, I really wish I'd have tried that. And someone else did it. And guess what? They're succeeding. Or guess what? It's not always a fail. So let's say the word fail. You obviously think, that's not a good thing. Actually, failure is a great thing. It tells you all the ways it's not going to work, and it actually shifts you on a different path. So I like to think of when, Thomas Edison was making the light bulb and he failed 1,000 times. And he said, I didn't fail. I learned 1,000 times of ways it won't work. Now I know how it will work. So that's how we do it. We kind of change our perception. We change our thinking. Okay, I tried this. Wasn't the path I thought it was going to go on, but guess what? I've got a new path. Or I'll try something different, or I'll just change it, tweak it up, and it'll work. But here's the thing. The main thing is that you try. So today's a new day. Think about your new chapter, what you want to write out. Think about all those ways I said that you would be able to at least plan your future. I know it sounds simple, but sometimes it just takes someone saying, hey, remember this? You can do it. So I'm here to say, no matter what your plan is, at least try. Be confident that you're going to make it. Don't worry about those failures. Learn from them. Look back and say, I can do that again a different way. Or I'm going to do something completely different. And I suspect you're going to find out that something even better is going to happen for you. So I hope you're having a great day. Do subscribe to my channel. I truly appreciate that. If you have any ideas that you'd like to send my way, I love hearing from all of you. And if you want to have any guests on the show or you'd like to be on my show, I'd love to hear from you. Subscribe at the bottom, send me a message, and I look forward to helping you. I hope you're all having a great day, and I look forward to talking to you very soon. Bye-bye now.